Don't say I am go to school.
Say I go to school.
Don't say he don't likes pizza.
Say he doesn't like pizza.
Don't say she is afraid from dogs.
Say she is afraid of dogs.
Don't say I am knowing the answer.
Say I know the answer.
Don't say he is married with a teacher.
Say he is married to a teacher.
Don't say I am waiting you since morning.
Say I have been waiting for you since morning.
Don't say she suggested me to see a doctor.
Say she suggested that I see a doctor.
Don't say I didn't saw him yesterday.
Say I didn't see him yesterday.
Don't say he is good in cooking.
Say he is good at cooking.
Don't say I am late because of traffic jam.
Say I'm late because of the traffic.
Don't say she explained to me the problem.
Say she explained the problem to me.
Don't say I am tired of to work.
Say I'm tired of working.
Don't say he likes play football.
Say he likes to play football. He likes playing football.
Don't say I am agree with your idea.
Say I agree with your idea.
Don't say he didn't went to school.
Say he didn't go to school.
Don't say I am living here since 2010.
Say I have been living here since 2010.
Don't say she is good in English.
Say she is good at English.
Don't say he told me that he will comes.
Say he told me that he will come.
Don't say I'm boring in this class.
Say I am bored in this class.
Don't say she is married with an engineer.
Say she is married to an engineer.